Okay, hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video, we're going to create a simple program in Python using the apps on mobile phone that's called pydroid 3. Okay, so let's start. So the program that we're going to do is a simple guess the number game. Okay, so we are going to input a two number. It's either 1 or 2. Then the program will random a number. If the number that you enter matches the random number, then you win. Okay, so let's start. So first we have to type print here. Okay. Let's type the title of our program. Let's call it guess the number. Yeah. Okay, then after we print the title of our program, we have to input an integer number. It's either 1 or 2. So I think I'll need a variable name here, so just call it nm, means a number. Okay, then equal to, okay, so since this is a number, this is an integer number, then input. Okay, so after we input, we need another title here that indicate that we have to enter a number. Okay, so let's use a line break code here. So this is \n. \n is used when you want to create another message on the second line of your display. Okay, so let's type here another message that says enter a number. Okay, enter a number. Okay, then we have to end this and equal. Okay, and quotation. We need a space here. Yeah. Then colon. So after the input, let's random a number. Okay, but before the random number, we have to display a message here first that says we'll use print again, that says your number is okay, space, then let's put here the nm. Okay. So this will display the number you input. Okay, then next we have to random. So before we go to random, we have to import random here, import, then random. Then let's go back to line 8. Okay, this is the code, or this is the syntax of the random. So we have to create a variable name again for the random. Let's call this rn, means random. For me, it means random. Okay, rn equal to random that rand. So we have to random an integer number. So only two numbers, so it's either 1 or 2. Then let us display the random number. So let's type print again here, print. So random number is okay. So let's run the program. There, so there's the title, guess the number, and says enter a number. So it's either 1 or 2 is the number. Okay, so let's try 1, then enter the keyboard. There, so you see your number is 1 and the random number created by the program is 2. Okay, so let us add some codes on our program, especially on our message enter a number. So I need to add something here, guess the number, 1 or 2. So guess the number, 1 or 2. Then let's split again. Then let's break again. Yeah. Okay, guess the number, 1 or 2. Then enter a number. Yeah. Then here, forget the column. Your number is, then next is we use the if syntax. Okay, if, then we match the two variables n, m. If it is equal to rn, so if they are equal, then we have to print a message here that says we won. Okay, so you won. Okay. But if the two numbers don't match, so we input else here. Okay. We will print here, print a message that says sorry, you lose. Or sorry, try again. Okay, so let's try our program. Oops, there's an error on NM. NM. Oh, I think the problem is the if. It doesn't change color. Why? Okay, let's try it again. There. So it says here, guess the number, 1 or 2. Enter a number, so I'll guess 1. So what's the result? There. So your number is 1, random number is 2, so sorry, try again. So okay, so that's it. Our program is running, but I want my program to run continuously unless I stop it. Okay, so as you can see, when I run my program here, I can only use it once. Okay, program finished. Okay, so I won. So this time we will use a loop code while. So where can we put the while code? After the nm here. So let's type while here. Then the condition must be like this. If like nm will be not equal to 0. There. Okay. Then we have to adjust this. We have to indent. Okay, I think I will add some line break here because the message stick to the random number is message. Okay, so this will loop continuously until we enter 0. Okay, so our message, let's fix our message here first. So guess a number, 1 or 2. Then we will add another message here. Says enter 0 to end program. Okay, it's like that. Then line break again. Then we have to add input here below the U1 message and the sorry try again message. Okay, so I'll have to copy this code here, also the input, and let's copy this, then paste it here below the message U1, also below the message sorry try again. Okay, let's add some line break here so that the message will not attach to the other message. think we're done. Okay, so let's try it again. Okay, there's an expected error on the else, line 13. Let us check line 13. Oh, the input, the NM. You have to tab this. There. Okay, let's try our program again. There, it runs. Okay, so guess the number, 1 or 2. Enter 0 to end program. Okay, so I'll guess 2. Enter. Okay, your number is 2. The random number is 2. You won! Okay, play again. Guess the number, 1 or 2. Enter 0 to end the program. So let's try 1 here. Oh, I won again. Your number is 1. Random number is 1. So you won. Okay, guess a number again. So let's try 1 again. Okay. So your number is 1. Random number is 2. Sorry, try again. Okay. So I want to end my program, so I have to enter 0. There, so program finish. Okay, so that ends our program. So if you like this video, you can hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. So see you on our next video. Bye bye.